Hello and welcome on board on this Scandinavian flight SK932 from Los Angeles to Copenhagen. We just boarded and I sit in business, seat 1A. Just received some welcome drink. And we look forward to take off in time here. I actually got email from SAS that this flight is full, so that's great for SAS. And I will go through this, and then you can check my other one from the A330 and see what's your best view of what plane would you like to fly with, and the service, etc. What's between, if it's something that is better or also. So that's all. That's nice. So we see you in a bit. Alright, so before departure we got the menu. What's on, what you can eat and drink on board. There we go. Different drinks and cocktails, with and without alcohol. I like that. Champagne, wine, the famous apple must, some red wine. Here is the menu with the starter. I think I will take the first or second, not the duck breast. And when it's the main course, I go for chicken this time. Then some cheese, dessert. Then breakfast. Here like cognac and tea and coffee. So that's it.
God eftermiddag. Mitt namn är Agneta Berglund Hansen. Jag är purser ombord. Tillsammans med mina kollegor vill jag hälsa varmt välkomna till SAS och den här flygningen till Skandinavien och Köpenhamn. Vi kommer alldeles strax att servera något att dricka och därefter serverar vi middag, och innan vi landar så serverar vi morgonmat. På det här flygplanet är det möjligt att använda vårt wifi på instruktionskontoret.
Alright, so it's time to check the Amenity kit. That's a new one from Dux, Swedish brand. Very popular to make beds and bed linen and stuff. It was Heston's earlier. They changed to Dux very recently, and I think the only thing is that we got actually a branded SAS Dux school bag, and we can check inside. There's a good stylish socks. They are very, very nice. They are not just for one-time use. It's real socks. Of course, toothbrush, toothpaste in one. Then we have Versa skincare. This moisturizer, and then we have Versa skincare for lips and earplugs, and that's it. But I think it's quite good, and including with this bag, of course. Okay, we continue. First of all, some warm cashew nuts, a drink, and some sparkling water. I selected SAS and that's something I usually do on board. I think that's refreshing. So the starter is here. It's scallop with some salad, some sparkling water, French chardonnay, and a bread and butter as a starter. Then comes the dinner. So hang on. And the main course arrived with the chicken. It's Eudora chicken poached in milk with juniper, peas, potatoes, roast kabocha, squash, and Brussels sprouts. Sounds fancy, right? Yeah. Let's dig in. So far, everything tastes amazing. Alright, so here is the dessert. Fresh fruit, lemon cake, some French cheese, and a very nice tea that's coming soon also. So, well, the food on this flight, I must say that it's 5 of 5. Everything has a great taste, very tender, great. It has. I have nothing, actually nothing to complain at whatsoever. Service or taste, it's great. I will soon follow up about the movies and entertainment services. So that's coming after this. Alright, so this is in-flight entertainment. This is like an Apple mouse. So you turn this to the screen here and show you some movies. So there are some more than it used to be, so that's good news. New and old and for all ages. So that's a big good step for SAS. And there is the end of that. Then we have some, let's see, we have some TV series. They usually go from 10, and here are the TV series you can watch. It go from 10. Some have got 1 and some got 3. So it used to be between 1 up to 10 at the most. that you can watch. So I'm not sure, it was the same on many flights recently, so I guess it's the movies is the most popular thing that customers select today. Focus on that. Otherwise it will be like a full season of something. So that's it. It's a very nice big screen, as you can see. You can ask the pilot there with questions, the future aviation. You can write about some things on board, what you liked. Some Formula 1. Press on that, see what that is. Alright, so it was some Formula 1 there. And then we have the live camera. There it's, you can see it's pretty dark, so it's with the tail view, forward view is quite dark here, so it's tail forward. So I can try to see if I can get the landing and show how it looks like. So here it is, and we have just passed the Canadian border now. So on the way home to Scandinavia. So there we are. So, and more will follow. Thank you. Alright, so this is the business class bar where you can go and pick what you like. You got water on the top. You have some wine, Coke, Sprite, special chocolates, some beer, also special. The one there is made by Mikkeler, Denmark. The other one also Denmark. And here is actually the galley where the crew is working, and they have said yes, it's fine that I do film. They know that I do it, so I always ask before I do it. So I think that's something you all should do, and so that's perfect at any time. And even more comes even more ships at the same time. That's popular. So here you can take what you like during the night flight. Even nice. Okay, continue to watch. And good morning, and this is the breakfast. It's croissant. Very nice yogurt with lots of fruits, orange juice and coffee. That's the breakfast this morning on the way to Copenhagen. Och då kom det bjudas in lite mer man kunde välja mellan, och då blev det pastrami, some roast beef and vegetables, etc. So it's the breakfast is now twice as big. Alright, so here you can see the different cameras on the plane. Tail, forward, never mind. I will keep this on and show you a bit during the landing later.
Place your cabin baggage either under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. If you're seated in SAS Business, make sure that there are no loose items on the floor and that the remote control is replaced in its holder. Stow blankets under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. For safety reasons, please do not keep the blanket wrapped around you during landing. Raise the seat back. Fold it in. Stow away the monitor if you're seated in the front row. Keep your leg rest in stowed position. Please fasten your seatbelt. Note that the window shade must be open.